Say it again. Do it again.
Over, Max. No.
Good job.
Can I give it to him? Can I give it to him? Can I give it to him?
You want to make him shake? Make him shake real quick. One more time. Say shake, Max.
Sorry, Max. Hey. Max! Shake. 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 Shake.
Hold your hand up higher so he has something to shake to. No,
Shake.
by his shoulder. Right there.
Shake. 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 Shake, Max. Max, shake.
There he goes. He got it. All right.
Can I give it to him?
Yes, please do.
Dad, can I give it to him?
Yeah.
Boy. Matthew's a good boy.